that one, or you can look it up and watch the presentation. But this is where we're going to the end of the show with another customer top rated winner on clearance. It's like the magical dream of two things we love, which is like, hey, everyone else has bought this and loved it, and now I can get it at a clearance price. You are saving $32 off the price of this. It is the Carla Hall Sweet Heritage 3-quart 2-way saute pan with the lid and steamer. Now look at the profile of this and how little real estate it's taking up compared to maybe a steamer you've had in the past. So the pan itself is 13.5 inches by 11.25 by 2 inches. The reviews on this, talk about one pan meals, sauteing, steaming, and stove to table, because of course it looks pretty. So you're getting the glass lid, then you are getting the steamer, the steaming pan, which is such quality. Like, you can just tell. If you've ever had one of those kind of concertina ones that kind of pops in and out, this is a really quality piece in stainless steel. And then this beautiful saute pan. This is your corn flour. And then we also have it in the tomato. So those are your two choices. I cannot wait to see. Well, Carla, what inspired you to put together a saute pan and a steamer as a one and done, or as a twofer?
Well, let me tell you, if people have watched me on television, I am always saying, why say or when you can say and?
Ooh,
and so
yes.
Here I am making these chicken breasts, these sauteed chicken breasts. And as a quick lesson, let me tell you, so I cook my chicken breasts mostly on one side, and then I'm gonna flip them over. Look at, first of all, 5 huge chicken thighs are in this pan. And then look how beautiful they are. Look how crunchy the tops are. And I'm using the metal utensils, the tongs, because this pan can take it. Now I'm gonna do a quick sauce. So I love the capacity of this pan. So here I did my thighs, and this is one of the recipes that you will find in the book when you get these pans in the care and use book. So here I'm putting some onions and garlic in here. I'm cooking some onions and garlic already. It's smelling great. I'm gonna add some thyme. I'm gonna cook those a little more. But you know, the magic of television, I'm gonna add some tomatoes. I did some thyme. I'm gonna add some olives. And then I'm going to add some chopped herbs. So incredibly delicious. Then I'm going to take my chicken thighs and add them back into the pan. And because this pan cooks on top of the stove, induction, gas, electric, and it goes into the oven, the lid up to 400 degrees, I'm going to put it back in the oven. Ooh. So that's in the oven. I'm going to pull one out for you to see, Sam. And here we come. Look at this.
Oh,
look at that.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Now,
oh, and stove to table. This is what people are talking about, why they love this pan.
So you asked me why, and the other pan is your everyday pan. It's going to stay on the stove. This one, I wanted these banquet handles because this is going to go right to the table. And look how gorgeous it looks. And look at all of this flavor. It is just absolutely beautiful. And I want you to see, here, I want Jordan to get in here. You see all of this cooked in bits right here?
Yeah.
Now, I'm not gonna pour this out, but look at this. Look at me wiping that out. Wipe out. Look at that.
Whoa.
It wipes right out. This is why this pan is beloved.
Yeah,
that is exactly why.
No scrubbing. It literally is a one and done pan, because you can saute in it, you can put it in the oven, you can put it on the table, and then no soaking and scrubbing. What else do you have for us?
All right, so here, now I'm using the steamer. I want you to see these. I'm using the steamer. And here I have my shrimp on top, and check it out. Look at this. I'm doing this this little seafood feast. Yeah, it is so incredible. I have the seafood feast that's happening on the bottom. I know you're about to wrap me, but look at this. Corn, potatoes, sausages, lemon, broth. Yes, indeedy. And then I have my shrimp. I just put it in here. It is perfectly seasoned, perfectly cooked, and you have a feast. I don't care if you're from New Orleans, I don't care if you're from Baltimore, I don't care if you're from I was going to say Chicago, not Chicago, San Francisco, but look how gorgeous this is. and you made it all in one pan because of the steamer. And it doesn't just do this. Again, the recipes are in the book when you get these, so they're worth everything that you've just gotten off.
Yeah,
and $39.99, and it was at $72. Are you kidding me?
I know.
You're welcome.
Exactly. $39.99. It was $72. You're saving $32. This is your corn flour. Remember, you're getting the lid, and then of course the steamer inside, and then you also have it in the tomato. K85469. Biggest saving of the show. Customer loved, customer top rated. So give us a call to order yours. 800-500-7590. Carla, thank you so much for joining us on a Saturday night. I finish in an hour. I want to get a cab over to yours, Annie.
Oh my God, I want to send this to you too. I'm going to get you some. You
I
are
can almost smell
fabulous.
it. Oh, well, we will see you next time. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for sharing your sweet heritage with us. And stay right with us here on QVC2, because we have an incredible deal coming up for you. We're going for a very short break. I'm going to take off my apron and I'll be right back. But this is a saving that has to be seen to be believed. So please don't go anywhere. We'll see you in a moment. Okay, bye.